ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré repair backglass Samsung S10e. Ó ti fọ́, so a ní láti replace ẹ̀. Although ó náà ń lo pouch sí, but still ó insist pé òun fẹ́ change backglass ẹ̀. So number one thing ni pé a ní láti kọ́kọ́ wá dá exact colour. So ìgbà tá a rí colour tó jẹ́ tiẹ̀ gangan, although àwọn customer mi wà tó yẹ pé bó ṣe jẹ́ colour blue yìí, wọ́n máa demand pé any colour tó bá wà ẹ fi sí. Ẹlòmíì máa ti ní colour white or colour black kó máa specify. But there are some people out there tó yẹ pé they cannot use any other colour aside from the follow come colour, the exact one I prefer most of the time. It depends on the customer. You know, we have individual differences. So now lọ́wọ́ kan mo set up phone yẹn, mo fún ní accurate temperature, mo expose it sí heat láti lè remove backglass yẹn. Because follow come ṣe níná, although kò really matter, because I always say that if you cannot do the follow come, you will not be able to do the repaired ones. So the same law, no law apply. It really matter whether follow come or not. Just know what you want to do. I think that's the most important thing about all this repair. Now, when it comes to difficulty level, iPhone backglass is more difficult than Samsung, considering the danger to why equipped pẹ̀lú changing of backglass. iPhones are more dangerous, unlike the Samsung. Although only àwọn series Samsung kan tó tún lè díẹ̀ ju àwọn ilé lọ, bí àwọn Note series. Like look at the S10e for instance. Ẹgbẹ́ ló wà, and the flex is beneath the backglass. Now, the flex never cut during the process, or any tí ó lè experience tó bá fẹ́ ṣe, ó lè cause so many things. Number one, the S10 will not be charging again. Number two, kò ní detect S10. Number three, ó kàn máa fún yín ní error message. And also there are some proximity sensors as well tó wà beside it. We will not be talking about that. Those are just by the way. So let's return to the backglass of it. So now, I bẹ̀rẹ̀ backglass yẹn mo ṣe cleaning. Although mo ní láti cut video yìí down. Tẹ́ bá wo ṣẹ́yìn dáadáa máa rí gbogbo ẹgbẹ́ phone yẹn ló wà covered. Reason tó máa ń fà táwọn mi ò ṣe kí n máa cover dáadáa ni pé ṣẹmọ gum tó máa ń bá wọn wá yẹn, ó máa ń give allowance. So most of the time, máa ní láti eliminate the glue yẹn finally. So I'll just have to put another one there. So máa jẹ́ kó lè align dáadáa. Now mo ti laminate backglass yẹn, mo protect it so that ó náà máa lò at the same time. Meanwhile, tó bá di the next day, ó lè ṣí lamination yẹn kúrò ńbẹ̀. Tó bá dẹ̀ wù ó lè máa lò lọ. That one too is also a sheet, just a protector for the backglass. But it's not a must for una to be using like that. But at least under 24 hours, glue yẹn ti máa ṣiṣẹ́, ti máa wà effective. So ẹ comment model number Samsung phone yín, ká sọ iye tẹ́ máa ṣe fún yín àti price ẹ̀, and then I will suggest the color tó máa match it, if you don't mind. Thanks.